Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions of CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are going to solve the third problem from exercise 1.2 of Real Numbers chapter. So let's get started with the third problem. Question number 3. Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. So for this they have given us three sets of numbers for which we have to apply the prime factorization method to find the LCM and HCF. So let's get started with the first question. So the first question is to calculate the HCF and LCM of 12, 15 and 21. So 12, the LCM of 12 is 2 square into 3 separately. So you have to take the LCM of the following numbers separately. So for 15 you have 3 into 5. For 21 you have 3 into 7. As I told you in my previous video, for calculating the HCF of three numbers, you have to take the common factors with least power. That is what we have done. The common factor among the LCM of the three numbers is 3. And what is the least power? The least power is 1 in all the three cases. That is, I am taking the HCF of 12, 15 and 21 to be 3. Next, the LCM of 12, 15 and 21. For that, you have to take all the factors with highest power. That is what I am doing here. So 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7. After multiplication, you get the numbers equal to 420. Therefore, the HCF and LCM of 12, 15 and 21 is 3 and 420 respectively. Moving on to the second question. It is for calculating the LCM and HCF for the numbers 17, 23 and 29. So let's go on with the solution. 17, 23 and 29 are prime numbers and hence have the HCF to be 1. Since there is no common factor, you know that the LCM of these three numbers will be 1 only. So 1 is the HCF of 17, 23 and 29. For calculating the HCF, LCM, as I told you, you have to take all the factors with highest power. So for that, you have to take 1 into 17 into 23 into 29. The product of these numbers gives you 11,339. Therefore, the HCF and LCM of 17, 23 and 29 is 1 and 11,339 respectively. So let's go ahead with the third problem. It is the calculation of LCM and HCF of 8, 9 and 25. So let's go ahead with this. Here you have the LCM of 8, 9 and 25 to be taken separately. And the LCM of 8 is 2 cube, 9 is 3 square, 25 is 5 square. Therefore, you have no common factor and the HCF is once again 1 for 8, 9 and 25. LCM of these three numbers is considering all the factors with highest power. Therefore, you have to take the multiplication or the product of these factors. That is 2 cube into 3 square into 5 square. The product gives you 1800. Therefore, the HCF and LCM of 8, 9, 25 is 1 and 1800 respectively. So we have completed the third problem of this exercise. In my next video, I'll provide the solutions of the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.